What's up guys, Shehbaz here with Super AMOLED and the rejection of the 3.5mm headphone jack. Samsung Galaxy A33 5G at its finest. Images, videos and specs. Official debut expected in January 2022. The network has detailed information about the new representative of the inexpensive line of Samsung Galaxy A from a reliable source. This time, the well-known insider Steve Hammerstoffer under the nickname OnLeaks published together with the thematic resource 91mobiles.com. The first high-quality images of the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G, a video with a computer model, and details about the smartphone. According to the source, the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G will go on sale early next year, with 4 cameras on the back and a U-notch in the screen for the front selfie camera. Samsung has released the Galaxy A32 5G in January this year and the Galaxy A32 in 4G version a month later. Its successor will come with 5G as standard, and a 4G variant may not appear at all, showcasing 2 color options for the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G, lilac and black. As for the characteristics, the source provided such details. The smartphone will receive a 6.4 inches flat Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. The exact parameters of the cameras are not yet known, but the resolution should improve significantly. In the Galaxy A33 5G, the manufacturer will ditch the 3.5mm headphone jack. Dimensions will be 159.7 by 74 by 8.1 mm, 9.7 mm with camera bump. Also noted are USB Type-C and the SIM tray at the bottom of the phone. The international official debut is expected in January 2022. Steve Hammerstoffer has a long track record of making reliable renderings of various smartphones prior to their announcement. Almost all such works by OnLeaks are then confirmed, so there is no reason to doubt the design of the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G and its characteristics. Its leaks include the Samsung Galaxy S21, Sony Xperia XZ4, Google Pixel 4 XL, Huawei Mate 40 Pro, Sony Xperia 10 III, and many others. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.